Hey everybody, I'm Taryn. This is the Gnar garden. It's been a minute since I put up a video. Today's the first day that it hasn't been 90 plus degrees or pouring rain, so I thought I'd do a garden tour. I live in the city, my garden's small. It's also loud, so if you hear noise, motorcycles, whatever, just bear with me. I don't have super high-tech stuff to film this. I'm using my phone. But if you like it, comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, cool.
So this year I planted a few annuals in with my perennials. I still have my little lily garden for my niece Lily. This is all going to be changing for next year. I have like a million ideas because this isn't working. So I put some tomatoes in here. They were kind of an afterthought because I had already planted all my tomatoes, and then one of my gardening groups asked everyone what their favorite tomato varieties were, and they were the top three I didn't have. So I went and bought them. My cousin and I went to a chili farm and I bought like 10 different chili plants. I'm only getting 10 different pepper plants. And I'm only getting a few. I don't know anything about peppers. Also, like, these squash plants are totally taking over. I don't see much of anything growing on them, but I don't have the heart to remove them, even though they're destroying everything. It's kind of like thinning things out. Like, I know I should, but I don't. But I do, but I don't. I have all this Japanese knotweed along my neighbor's new black fence. It's wild over here. Here's the trellis we put in this year. It's just a cattle panel and some T-posts. I probably should have put the squash on here, but I put the melons. So these are sugar babies, nothing yet. I did Mema sunflowers again this year. On this one, there are 5 different varieties of melons, but so far I'm only seeing 2, which is still better than last year. So I'm going to consider that a success. I am so psyched on these. I think they look so cool. Look at them. There's another little baby one up there. But yeah, I put Mema sunflowers kind of throughout this. These are the rest of my tomatoes. Everything needs to be pruned. I need to weed. This is my little perennial flower garden over here. Annual flower garden over here. Some petunias, some zinnias. This little llama my stepmom gave me. I should probably cut these back. Oh, hey, what's up, little dude? Aren't you cute? It's kind of a mess. It's been so hot or raining, so I haven't had a chance to do anything. There's a lot of, what's in here? Carrots, beets, Swiss chard. There was garlic. My first time attempting garlic. If you watched my previous videos, it did not turn out so good. So I'm going to research that a little bit more. Over here we have cucumbers, herbs. Hey, there's a little cucumber. And then another squash plant that is just like taking over. Hey. I'm guessing, maybe it's pumpkins. I don't know. A couple more tomato plants, and that's about it. Oh, a dead eucalyptus plant. That's cool. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for stopping by. As you can see, I got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna go do that, and I will see you soon. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye.